Welcome to our channel, but before we get started, click our sky button, turn notifications, give us a huge thumbs up. Today, guys, we're opening our calendar with the LL dolls.
Okay.
So first, I'm gonna first. You have to open number one.
Look for
First, I'm
number
gonna
one.
open this one.
You're gonna open the Lego one first. Okay.
Here. How can I get this open?
Can you help?
Oh,
Where
I
is
found
it?
a girl. I got a girl.
There.
I need scissors.
There. What did you get? A girl.
Ooh. How do we open this?
There's a little tab on the side. You press in.
Oh, I think I got a gingerbread man.
A gingerbread man. Oh! Oh, did it come out?
It's a chocolate snowman.
Snowman.
Chocolate snowman.
Chocolate snowman.
That's so cute, Bird. Oh yeah, it is real.
Good. You already put it in your mouth.
This one on.
Okay, now you need to find number one on your Legos. Do you want to eat your chocolate?
It's real.
Yeah, it's real. It's real. Is it good? Yeah. It's good. Okay, where's mine? Press in with your thumb. Yeah, push right there. You got it. You got it.
To build something. I built something.
You got it. What is it?
It's a car.
A car? How
So
are
I
you
can
doing?
drive it all over.
What is yours? Oh, a girl on like a...
I can drive it.
Are you gonna do it? Okay, yeah, and then we're gonna make that.
I don't have anything else. It's just this.
That's it.
Wait,
And then a
what
little
about
accessories for her hair. And
Tomorrow.
Wait, this one doesn't go to her hair. Oh, she holds it in her hand.
Oh, because she's making the presents. Oh, yes. Do you need help? Okay, let's see.
I'm gonna do that.
Okay.
We need a cup.
I need, if you would like.
I can help. I think that is a tree actually.
You started it.
Oh my god.
Do you need help? It's just the first day and you got a person. She didn't get a person. Don't say it's boring. You got a girl.
Yeah, but
Look at her with her bow.
I don't have anything else.
Yeah. Well, we have other days. We have 24 days to go.
24?
You need to think of a Christmas name too.
Next, I will name her Present.
Present.
Present wrapper.
Present wrapper.
Very original. I like it.
And then
What's
I
yours,
can
Birdie?
put- Actually, I'll name her Gingerbread Man.
Gingerbread man.
Because there's a gingerbread man on there.
Oh, that's lovely, Bird. That is a beautiful car.
It's a tray.
Oh, she has like a track. I see. And yours is a house. And everyone puts their shoes right on the carpet, right inside the door. All right, let us. Who does the block tonight?
Me.
Okay, let's do the block then. Why don't we flip the block?
And I get to put
How many more days?
for 23.
23. Bird, what's your turn to do?
Cut the chain. That's her job. And I get to put something on the Christmas tree.
Okay, Bird. You have to put something on the Christmas tree. What does that mean? Here, Birdie.
An ornament.
What ornament? Oh, I see. Finger hoop for your fingers. You open them again. Oh, yes, they're good.
I did my
Good.
ornament. I did my ornament.
Oh, you did your ornament. One.
Christmas tree.
Good. good. That's beautiful. So the block flipper will be the ornament putter.
I thought you go the other way.
Very
I
nice.
want to play with my human.
Okay, you can play with your human for a little bit.
Ginger. Right.
Wait, say goodbye to the kids.